I'll start with duplicating this bottom layer, just because, I don't know, I like to have this as a fallback or something. I never want to go on the original layer, just in case I make any terrible mistakes. I can always bring back a basic one. And we're going to stick a black and white layer style, and I just want to adjust these to get some vibes I want. Cyan, that's taking out the back there a little bit. Because of the JPEG you can see it falling apart, terrible. But again, quite subtle with that. That's going to affect quite a bit. So I'll just get to where I kind of like it. And go invert this. I think it'll be easier to just, with a white brush, take away the bits I don't want. I've got quite a hard white brush at the moment, and then I'm going to go in more with the softer brush and the smudge tool and smooth things out a bit more. See around here there's quite a bit of light. Keep the room light where possible. So that's kind of the clothing done. So let's title this one, and I'm going to make another one, and then this time I'm going to look at the kind of the blue on the hair. Just play with this a little bit. Right, get a basic rough selection of the hair, and then we shall invert it, deselect and invert that, and then just refine this a little bit. Take a look at this night sky now. Try and make this just a bit subdued. Bring a little bit of the blue back on this, just a little bit, and then we'll clean it up. I suppose a good idea might have been to make some selections of the characters so that I can do this a lot more efficiently, but just a quick little one. Speed this up for TikTok and we'll be away. Try and customize these clothes a little bit more. Maybe they want to be a bit darker. Quite like the way the stick looks in this one. BG plus stick. Reveal some stick. And just smudge it all in a bit together. Just want to have a look at the background, this purple. Yeah. I can just desaturate it a little bit. I think I want to change the colour of this fire maybe. Kind of like in pink. Yeah, I'll go with. And then on yellow, we're going to just desaturate, see what that looks like, and then maybe just the black in there as well. Maybe it looks nice white, but red looks like as well. Kind of a Luke. I guess black's in more in keeping. I'm kind of feeling that a bit more. One thing I think we might need to do is add in the black logo. This is going to hit all the copyrights. Make a layer comp here of pretty much complete, so I can swap back to it later on. Pop into here and isolate Disney. So I just made a JPEG background copy, not the smart object version. We should be able to just shift backspace, content aware fill, and then we'll just kind of fix this up a bit. You can see there was a bit of a drop shadow around Pixar. Just sit and clone brush for a little bit. It's going to be a little bit hasty with it because we'll probably find that it all overlaps each other anyway. This shirt could be a bit of a tricky bit. While I remember, let's go back onto here and just copy paste that so we've got it on its own layer. Back in here, clone stamp away, move it along, clean up some of this mess, and I need the black logo. Button bold. Get the spacing good. I'm gonna go onto my layer with the logos, copy it, paste it, move it along so it's in line. Black needs to come up in size a bit, I guess, to match. And we'll start there. Bring it a bit down, actually, to taste. So it's kind of got some of that metal effect on it. So we can do that in a new layer. Noise, maybe not that much. Something like 40%. Stick a motion blur. Looks about right. Move it along in a bit. Alright, so I've got that, and then I'll just stick a little bevel embossy stuff on here. And I want the inner bevel. Something like that. Let's clean this guy up. They can all go in a group. Logos. There, feels good. Now, go back to cleaning this up. Just highlight the areas that I can see, and I can get rid of this and just focus on in here. Okay, slap all these back on again. Go back in and tidy up all these little bits we missed off earlier. So if you like this video and you didn't see the last one and you want a kind of a bit more of a tutorial version of it, there's kind of a video that will be here. I've got other videos, you have to got those. So it's up here. Have a stay. Have a nice day.